Hey folks, Dr. B here with Advanced Health Chiropractic. Let's walk through what it's like to be a patient in my office. First off, we're going to start with some myofascial and grafting. This technique is used to alleviate pressure, reduce tension, and increase range of motion in the areas that we're working with. Next, we're going to look for a deeper release using myofascial release techniques. This is going to improve the patient's active range of motion in the shoulder, mid-back, upper back, and even reduce some stress into the patient's neck. This is a great technique for us to use before we get started with the adjustment. Take breath in, breath out all the way. That was good movement. Alright, so let's go ahead and you're going to lay on your right side, turn to face me. All the way towards me. Nice. Very nice. Other side for me. Always high. Low iron. On your back for me there. Slide on here. Drop that shoulder on you here. Go all over.
Like, did that hurt?
Mm-hmm.
No. Not really.
Bring that left ear over to me here. The chin up. You have it done professionally. Tell me you know a guy. He's done good, but no.
Oh, that one was in his back.
After the adjustment, the next step is to improve this patient's mobility through corrective exercises. These are not cardio or fitness based, but much more focused on delivering better biomechanics to areas that are causing dysfunction in their spine, in their shoulders, and even into other areas as well. You'll see that a number of these exercises look to influence better core strength, core stability, and core mobility. The purpose of this is to help improve the stabilization of her spine, thus helping to allow for better biomechanics in different areas. As you move forward, you'll see that we'll start to do exercises that will improve her scapular mobility, which will help reduce neck pain, shoulder pain, and upper big back pain. Each of the exercises you've seen today are specifically targeted to improve better biomechanics reduce pains, and improve this patient's active range of motion. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give us a like and a follow. See you next time.